It's a hot afternoon, and a kid running a lemonade stand bumps the price from $1 a cup to $3. The lemonade hasn't changed, but watch the line of customers thin out, and that thinning goes further than you'd think. Start with the buyers, since their half of the story is the easy half to see. The cheaper something gets, the more people want it. The pricier it gets, the less they'll buy. That's demand, and plotted against price, it always slopes down. Sellers see it backwards. A higher price makes it worth their trouble to bring more to the stand. That's supply, and it slopes the opposite way, upward. Draw both lines on one picture, and the point where they cross is where a buyer's top price and a seller's bottom price finally meet. But who actually decides where those two lines cross? Nobody, on their own. A real market is dozens, sometimes millions of buyers and sellers, each with their own idea of a fair price. Line up every one of those private top prices and bottom prices across every price that could happen. That's what a demand or supply curve really is. A whole schedule of intentions, not one sale. Add every buyer's line to every seller's line, and the price that comes out isn't chosen by anyone. It emerges, the way a crowd finds its own walking pace without anyone calling it. Push a little further, and those two lines do something people mix up constantly. Raise the price, and buyers slide up along that same demand curve, buying less, a change in quantity demanded. But make it a scorching day, and the whole curve shifts. At every price, people now want more. Same word, two different moves. Economists pin that down with a phrase, ceteris paribus, everything else held equal. A demand curve only slopes down, assuming income and weather stay frozen. Change one of those, and the whole curve slides to a new spot on the page. That hot afternoon was doing two things at once. The heat had already shifted the whole demand curve before the kid touched the price tag, and the price hike then slid buyers back down along that new curve. Two different moves in the very same moment, and now you'll never watch a price move the same way again.